If your air conditioner is acting up, chances are the condenser unit bad capacitor symptoms are the sneaky culprit messing with your cool vibes. So first off, listen for any weird buzzing or humming sounds coming from the outside unit. That's a classic sign your capacitor is struggling. If your AC is taking forever to start or not starting at all, that's another red flag. You might notice the fan blades are barely spinning or not moving at all, which is usually because the capacitor isn't giving the motor the kick it needs. Sometimes, the unit just starts and stops randomly, making your place feel like a sauna. You can also check for visible signs like bulging or leaking on the capacitor itself if you get brave enough to peek inside the unit, but make sure to turn off the power first, safety first, you know? Replacing a capacitor is pretty straightforward if you have basic tools and a little DIY spirit. Just match the microfarad rating and voltage exactly when buying a new one. If you're not comfy doing this yourself, calling a pro can save you a headache and keep things safe. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with condenser unit bad capacitor symptoms is ignoring early warning signs like slow fan start or weird noises, which just makes the problem worse and can burn out other parts. Another common issue is trying to replace the capacitor without turning off the power. Seriously dangerous and can cause shocks or worse. Lastly, people often buy the wrong type of capacitor because they don't check the exact specifications. This can cause the new part to fail fast or not fix the problem at all. The fix? Stay alert to early symptoms, always cut power before touching anything electrical, and double check the capacitor specs before purchasing. BigHomeProjects.com is where homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff, making those home repairs way less stressful. Contractors get hooked up with real work from folks who need them, so it's a win-win all around.